Hey folks, John Ferguson Smart here. You might be wondering, you're spending all this time learning test automation, you're putting a lot of effort, you're practicing, you're learning all these tools, spending all this effort, and you might be thinking to yourself, well, why do I bother? I mean, there's all these tools out there that allow me to record a script and then play it again, and then we're all good, we've got our automation. Why should I bother learning to code? The reason is, all of these vendor tools that you see, these record replay, these so-called low or no code tools, they're a scam. They have a fundamental flaw that prevents them from playing a full role in an agile process. Very simply because they do not allow you to express your ideas before you write your code. They do not allow you to express your ideas in business terms before you start to code. That is the beauty of being able to craft a test automation framework tailor-made, tailor-fitted to your particular domain. If you can do that, then you don't need to worry about record replay afterwards, because you will have a solution that is much more tightly fitted, much more appropriate, much more targeted to your particular domain, and that we use the right layers, the right components at all the right levels. When you have tools that happen after the fact that work on a solution that's already built, you have to wait till it's delivered. You have to wait till the feature exists before you can even start to do to think about automation. And that's a big problem. That's a flaw in the process of being able to deliver your automation within a sprint. It also means that you're not having the conversations at the start about how to make your application testable. What is the best way to verify that your application, that your feature actually works? How can the developers help with the automation and streamline the process so that you can have automation validation happening within seconds rather than minutes or hours? That's what you can do when you actually try and craft your own solution. So believe me, the effort you are putting in, the time you are putting in to try and learn to do automation really does pay off. Don't believe the vendors, they want to sell their product. If you want to help your team and help your organization, then learning to code is a really, really powerful thing that you can do. So stick with it, keep up it, you're doing the right thing.